Welcome back to AutoCar, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and news from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about innovation and cutting-edge design, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly remarkable, the all-new 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike 4-wheel, the next-generation luxury touring machine that's redefining what a trike can be. Honda has officially unveiled the 2026 Goldwing Trike 4-wheel, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Known for pushing the limits of touring comfort and performance, Honda has now taken the Goldwing legacy to a new dimension by introducing a four-wheel setup that blends the best of motorcycles and cars into one futuristic machine. At first glance, the design of the 2026 Goldwing Trike 4-wheel is stunning. It carries the unmistakable DNA of the iconic Goldwing but with an aggressive, wide stance and muscular proportions. The aerodynamic bodywork, integrated LED lighting, and refined sculpted lines give it a futuristic and commanding presence on the road. Honda has carefully balanced luxury and performance, ensuring that the trike not only looks powerful but also feels stable and comfortable at high speeds. Under the hood, or should we say under the fairing, the new Goldwing Trike 4-wheel is powered by Honda's legendary 1833cc flat-six engine, now retuned for enhanced torque delivery and smoother acceleration. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering both automatic and manual shifting modes. Honda has also introduced an advanced hybrid assist system that provides instant electric torque when needed, making this Goldwing both powerful and efficient. The biggest change, of course, is the four-wheel setup. Unlike traditional trikes, which use a single rear wheel, the new Goldwing Trike features a dual rear and dual front wheel configuration for maximum balance and grip. This setup drastically improves cornering stability, braking control, and overall ride confidence, especially for long-distance touring. Honda's new suspension system ensures a smooth, car-like ride while maintaining the feel of a motorcycle. Inside, the 2026 Goldwing Trike 4-wheel offers an unmatched level of comfort and technology. It comes with heated seats, a full digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, premium audio, and even a customizable ambient lighting system. Riders will also appreciate the redesigned ergonomic seating and extra luggage space for long adventures. Safety is another major focus. The Goldwing Trike includes advanced systems such as traction control, ABS, stability assist, and adaptive cruise control. The inclusion of Honda's new radar-based collision warning and blind spot detection systems ensures riders are always aware of their surroundings. In every aspect, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike 4-wheel stands as a perfect combination of innovation, luxury, and adventure. It's not just a touring machine, it's a statement of futuristic design and engineering brilliance. So, what do you think of this next-generation Goldwing Trike? Would you take it for a long cross-country tour? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest automotive news only on AutoCar.